Hello, this is Collette with Events by Collette. Bienvenidos. This is my son Rhys, my sous chef. Today we are going to make carrot hummus, or in Espanol, hummus de zanahoria. We are a bilingual family here, so we will be referencing some words in Espanol, if that is the language that you prefer in your home. We live here in Austin, Texas. We will be filming here today. It is an amazing day. It's been the 70s. And this recipe that we're going to be making is perfect for Mother's Day weekend. It's refreshing, it's light, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's something that you can use to dip any sort of starch or vegetable. We will be actually pairing it with our homemade soft pretzels, which are gluten-free at the end of this film. You can access all of these recipes on our website at www.eventsbycollette.com. Also, we have a huge following on our Instagram at Collette Events/food. All right, let's get started. All right, Rhys, ¿estamos listos? Sí. Bueno, ¿tú puedes poner los zanahorias adentro por mí? Gracias. Sí. Sí. Muy bien. Okay, so let's explain what Rhys is putting in here, which I did beforehand to make this film a little bit shorter and easier. We have charred carrots here. I will be putting this recipe on the video for you to access easily, but it's just 450 Fahrenheit in the oven, olive oil, salt, 2 cups of carrots, along with a cup of cauliflower for about 25 minutes. Again, I did this prep work for you, but super easy. It's something that you can do while you're preparing everything else. So let's go ahead and, okay, Rhys, vamos a poner las zanahorias. This is our Ninja food processor. Love this thing. Got it at Costco, and it survived me for at least, maybe about 2 years right now. Okay, más zanahorias. Boom, boom, boom. If you haven't started cooking with your toddler yet, it's a great idea. It helps them learn math, science, discipline, patience, and they get to taste everything, and so their palates get more developed as they're growing while they're helping you in the kitchen. Muy bien, Rhys, gracias. Okay, we're gonna put this plate in the sink for the dishwasher to clean for us. Okay, and a toalla. Okay, let's go ahead and put in the cauliflower. Gracias, Chef Rhys. Gracias. Boom. So yeah, again, we have 2 cups of charred carrots, and we have a cup of cooked cauliflower. Cauliflower is a very versatile vegetable if you haven't discovered it already. We make pizza flatbread with it. We make, obviously, the hummus with it. You can just eat it raw. You can eat it just broiled in the oven. We put it in soup. Again, a lot of these recipes are on our website or in our blog. Muy bien, gracias, Rhys. Okay, now for the fun part. My toddler, Rhys, has been cooking with me ever since I can remember. So he actually knows how to do more advanced things, like opening up the garlic. If you haven't already done this already, garlic is pretty difficult to peel if you don't smash. We love that word smash in our house. If you don't smash it first with a knife and then start to peel it open, this one is a little more difficult today. There we go. And Rhys, yes, he knows what to do. He knows how to open up the skins, and then we'll plop them right in. Okay, I keep. Boop. So if you see, we smashed it open to force the peels to come apart from the inside. Sí, todo. Gracias, Baba. Muy bien. Put this over here. Okay, and another fun thing that he loves to do, he loves to help out with the lime squeezer. So again, sorry if I didn't mention this before, we have 1 clove of garlic, and we need the juice of 1 lime. We prefer limes in this house over lemons. You can use a lemon if you want, but we just prefer limes in this house. We make a lot of guacamole with it too. Oh, okay, Baba, pon adentro, sí. Humedad cada vez. Muy bien, gracias. If you haven't invested in a lime or lemon squeezer yet, I highly recommend it. It makes cooking so much easier. ¿Tú puedes? ¿Puedes ayudar? Okay, sí. Woo! Sí. Okay, da vuelta. It's a fun little game of not trying to hit your eyes. Another fun thing that we did with limes, we've been homeschooling obviously right now with the pandemic. We have been exploring pH levels, and we put a pH litmus paper into a lime peel after we took out all the juice, and discovered that lime juice is highly acidic. ¿Cierto, Baba? Sí. Es como el número 1. Sí. Okay. All right. One thing that we have the pleasure of doing around here, and the ability, is that we live out in the country, so we are able to compost. If you are able to compost these lime peels and the garlic peels, please go ahead and compost them. I would be very sad if you put them in the garbage. Okay, so here we have cumin, fresh ground pepper, and pepitas, or also known as pumpkin seeds. Let's see. Yes, I wrote this recipe, but I still have to reference things every once in a while. We have 3/4 teaspoon of cumin. Para adentro, por favor. And we have 1/4 teaspoon fresh ground pepper. Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, Rhys, gracias. And also we have 1/4 cup of pepitas, or also known as pumpkin seeds. Muy bien, gracias. And these are not salted. If you get them salted, your hummus will probably be a lot more salty than you would prefer. So recommend getting unsalted pepitas. Okay. Now we're going to be adding olive oil, salt, and tahini. Okay, un momento. Okay, we need... Okay, one thing I did not mention before, so the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When we charred the carrots before, we used 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and now we're going to use the other 2 remaining. Okay, Viva. So one thing that a toddler can also do is they can help you measure out, with assistance, ingredients. It helps them with their motor skills and appreciate ingredients. Okay, muy bien. Okay, una más. Muy bien. Okay, muy bien. Okay, now for the tahini. We're gonna put in 2 teaspoons, 2 cucharitas de tahini. When you look for tahini, we just prefer this brand, the Prince brand. It's at our local supermarket, H-E-B. It's just the least expensive and the most accessible to us. But any tahini would do. This one just has sesame seeds in it. I have attempted to make tahini before, but it is a little too difficult, so I just prefer to buy it. When you do buy any ingredients, my tip of the day today is always read labels. Events by Collette, we are based off of, we help people with their food allergies. I have several food allergies myself. So whenever you buy anything in the supermarket, always read labels. The food industry, unfortunately, hides things in gluten, dairy, nuts, nightshade, what have you. So if you really need to be careful about your food allergies, please read labels. You would be surprised at what is hidden in our processed foods today. Okay, a ver. ¿Puedes poner la tapa en tahini, Babu? Sí. Gracias. Okay, now we're going to put in the salt. This is Himalayan pink sea salt. We prefer this because it has less microplastics in it, but you can just use your regular old table salt. This recipe, just put salt to taste. Some people like more salt than others. Some people like less salt. So that's why I say just salt to taste. We're just gonna do a few turns here to grind it up. And there we go. Okay. Another thing that my toddler loves to do is to put the top on the Ninja. We just pair up the arrows with each other. He knows how to do that very well. Click. Muy bien. Okay, so since my toddler does not like loud noises, we always have his headphones, or tus orejeras, to put on whenever we use the Ninja. Okay. ¿Quieres empujar el botón? Okay. Another thing toddlers love to do is they love to press things. So he is going to go ahead and work the machine for us today. Okay, mi amor. ¿Quieres conectar?
Sí.
Y empujar el botón. Muy bien, gracias. Boom. Hooray. Sí. Okay, so we pureed the ingredients. So now we are going to turn off the machine. Again, toddlers love to turn on and off machines, push buttons. With the Ninja, I had to puree it about 3 times. Every blender, every food processor is different. So I just recommend pureeing it until it is basically smushed all together. All right, here we go. Let's take off the top. And we are going to put it in this bowl. As I mentioned today, Rhys, ¿quieres estar de pie en tu taburete? Muy bien. No más orejeras. No más. Okay. Today, as I mentioned, we are going to serve it with our soft-baked pretzels. Toddlers love these. My husband loved them, and I frankly loved them too. Kind of nostalgic. They remind you of being a child again. Shopping in the mall, you know, that whole thing. Okay, so we're going to take all this out, put it in a bowl, transfer it to Tupperware after you're done. Bring this on a picnic this weekend. Picnics are perfect right now with the pandemic that we're going through. Personally, tonight, our family, we're gonna go to a drive-in movie and bring a picnic to basically eat in the back of the car. Yes, with all the room here we have in Austin, Texas, we are able to do things like that. Okay. Here we see, ¿quieres probar?
Sí.
Okay, muy bien.
No.
No ahora, no tienes hambre. Yeah. Reach just had a snack, so okay. I will go ahead and try this. Uh-oh. All right. Well, see you next time. See you next time for our next food video. Can't remember what I'm going to be making next time, but I promise you it will be delicious. And it will be food allergy friendly. Thank you so much. Ciao.
Bye-bye.